15th of July, and we have shifted to our new apartment after getting married for the first time. It's a cute apartment, and we're having dinner here for the first time. My husband's have ordered chili chicken and chow mein, and I'm feeling so in peace eating this because we decided to take our own place, and we had taken this place on rent, but the AC has not come, तो AC लगेगा कल. पर अभी फ़िलहाल तो
कल आएगा।
हाँ, कल आ जाएगा. अभी फ़िलहाल जो है वो हमने कुछ स्टफ़ मंगवा रखा है, तो उसी में से वी आर मैनेजिंग. एंड इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. इट्स लाइक फीलिंग एक अलग टाइप का पीस इधर बैठ के. कैसा लग रहा है मुझे आपको? आई वाज बिजी वॉचिंग फुटबॉल मैच. फीलिंग ग्रेट. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? बोलो ना, बोलो ना. यहाँ से होपिंग एंड ब्लेसिंग दिस हाउस. बहुत सारा सामान मैंने ऑर्डर कर रखा है दिस थिंग अमेज़ोन से और मीशो से. एंड आई वांटेड टू डेकोरेट दिस हाउस लाइक छोटा सा प्यारा सा सुंदर सा घर बनाने के लिए. तो कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे ब्लैंक है अभी बहुत सारे, तो इसको अच्छे से सजाना है. और आई वॉन्ट टू लाइक रिकॉर्ड ऑल्सो द प्रोसेस बिकॉज वी जस्ट गॉट मैरिड ऑन द 30th. एंड 6 महीने से वी हैव बीन लाइक इन Assam and लखनऊ, इन Assam and लखनऊ, एंड वी हैव बीन इन दिल्ली फॉर द पास्ट 10 days. बट ये घर वर पहले तो हाउस हंटिंग वॉज सो डिफिकल्ट, उसके बाद इसको अच्छे से सजाने का है. तो वी वॉन्ट टू डू अ पॉडकास्ट ऑल्सो, तो मे बी वी विल create this place for podcasting also so that we can talk to each other about different topics and then involve other people also. तो एक तो वो है. दूसरा I want to vlog more and make food over there in the kitchen. I bought that light from Amazon and it's like so pretty. इसको पूरा सुंदर सुंदर सा vibe. I want to create a mood lighting thing for this entire house. अभी ये ऐसे लग रहा है, तो want to create a very sweet. तो एक रूम इस साइड में है और अभी ऐसे दिखाई दे रहा है. एक रूम उस साइड में है. there's a master bedroom. this is our living room. so हमेशा से व्लॉग वॉक करने का मेरे को बहुत शौक था, लेकिन पिछले कुछ टाइम से कुड नॉट बी डूइंग इट बिकॉज एक स्टेबल स्पेस और एक बेसिक स्टेबिलिटी के साथ जैसे लिव करना है वैसा सिचुएशन बन नहीं रहा था. बट फाइनली आई थिंक वी आर स्टेपिंग इन टू दिस न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ लाइफ. सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. आर यू एक्साइटेड? Okay, so this is really very special. It's actually what's the time? Huh? It's 3 a.m. at night, and since we have just come back to this house, I mean we have just come and shifted to our new house for the first time. See, it's 3 a.m. and I've been like decorating the house while he's been watching football. Abhi his match just got over. Argentina won, and I have like just kept certain things from one place to another, and we're going to open this for the first time. Guess what is this? चलो खोलते हैं इसको. खोलो खोलो इसको. है it's going to be extra special. Now I've almost decorated the house like little things that I've bought, and I could not record while doing it because I was just too excited and I wanted कि कल जब when we wake up to a new house, so let's see this thing. Let's open it. Come on, let's go work together. हाँ, दो एक साथ घूमना. Right hand. चलो. तुम निकालो. What is this? Oh my god! First time! It's our nameplate! खोलो ना. I know. I've been recording all this while, but oh wow, so nice. Singh residence, and there's a star for our brand Starling. And this is Mrs. Narita Joy and Mr. Vipul Singh. Mr. and Mrs. Singh. Let's go put it outside. Here. How do you feel first time residence? So ये बात. How does it feel? First time. After 15 years of relationship, 6 months of marriage, now finally we are moving to our first chapter. It's feeling so nice. How does it feel? It's a gift from me to you. Now we can take like new houses and this. It's nice, right? I'll show you around. It's a mat I got for our home. I wanted something which is like even life protecting and something that will be like actually हमें नज़र ना लगे इसके लिए have to take all measures. And I learned that इसके नीचे ना put salt and aloe. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, so pretty. We like it. मैं ऐसे ही बोल रहा ना भाई खाता जा रही काफी अच्छा नहीं है ना एकदम worth it no usually how it's looking So we've just shifted like right now. So these are the things I've kept. But इस फ्रिज को मुझे बहुत अच्छे से लाना है. जहाँ पे मैंने अपने लड्डू गोपाल को रखे हैं तो इनके लिए मुझे सुंदर से एक जगह बनाना लड्डू गणेश और उनके लिए. So I have like a plan to make some things on the wall like shelving. And this is my kitchen situation. यहाँ पे भी स्टोव वो कुछ भी नहीं रखा है. So I've got this light and I absolutely love this light. And this is the southeast direction, so I have like lit the red light because it's very good for cash flow and stuff. This is also a new light that I bought, and it can go anywhere, like you can change the colors and all, and it's really very cute, so you love it. And then there's the fridge situation here on this side. I got this new fridge, sorry, what is this, washing machine, and I just put the two things here. I love this light, I absolutely love this light. कितना प्यारा लाइट है, इसको मुझे वॉल पे लगाना है. अभी आई हैव ओपनड इट एंड आई वांटेड टू रिकॉर्ड इट व्हाइल ओपनिंग इट, एंड हियर द लिविंग couch and on that it's my husband, the main hero of my life, hero of this house, the man of the house. Because of him the home is like all evil eye protected and all nice and safe, and I just love how protective he is. Baby, do you like my decor? He's the exterior, I'm the interior. You're the exterior, I'm the interior. You like it? हाँ? बोल ही नहीं रहे हो?
Yes, I like it.
So इसके ऊपर मैंने बेडशीट लगा दिया, and I love this thing. अभी तो सारा पिंक लाइट में हो रहा है. This thing is also so nice, and this room has our bedroom here. This is our bedroom, and the light has to be changed. This can be one light and this can be another light. Put this white curtains there. अभी हमारे पास रॉड नहीं था, वो वहाँ पे रॉड ओपन था, तो I put a string out there and I have to fix that place. And this bed is come. This bed is really nice. The room is a little diagonal in size, and the walls have to be decorated. That's the wardrobe situation over there. And I really feel very happy. I've been wanting a house for so long where I can just relax and have the सुकून. वो सुकून वाला फीलिंग कहीं पे आता ही नहीं है, चाहे अपने मॉम डैड के घर पे हो या अपने इन-लॉज के साथ हो. इट्स नाइस एंड ऑल, बट सुकून वाला फीलिंग तो यू गेट ओनली व्हेन यू हैव योर ओन प्लेस. एंड दिस इज आवर लाइक बेडरूम नाउ, एंड आई फील सो हैप्पी with my husband, and I love the string thing. पहले तो मैं इतना ज़्यादा स्वीट रोमांटिक नहीं बनाती थी, but now that we are just married, I have all the reasons to make it all romantic. So that's what I'm planning to do, make it a romantic, cozy, heaven sort of a place. And the bedroom situation is all very clean and peaceful right now, and I'm going to be like decorating this. And after this we just enter into the living room. And मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं करा है, because we just came to this house like today. सामान भी नहीं, और आते आते I just got the stuff from Amazon. यही मैंने लगाया. I just wanted my husband to see कि मैंने पैसे कैसे वेस्ट नहीं करा है और मैंने इन्वेस्ट करा है like in the right places. And he is so happy. How happy are you? Oh. Happy, no? See, this place is so pretty. See, now you're so happy. So from here, this is the living room where my husband was watching match, and this is the fridge, and this is my kitchen. और अभी आज से नवरात्र स्टार्ट हुआ है, गुप्त नवरात्र, जिसके बारे में बात भी करना चाहिए. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं यहाँ पे ध्यान करने वाली हूँ, और यहाँ पे मैं कंटेंट भी क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ, और मेरे हस्बैंड वर्क भी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस वर्क फ्रॉम होम फॉर अ बिजनेस एंड ऑल्सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स वी आर वर्किंग ऑन. So many projects, so my husband I want to make a nice work setup for my husband, so that when he's in the house, he feels like all like nice to work. And when we go out, most of our things are in the meetings and all, तो वहाँ पे तो है, but we want to make a lot of content also. So I'm just grateful that I get to be with my husband, who is the best. And this room is like a place where we can make a lot of content. So I have to give it a bit masculine vibe also. so that he doesn't get like carried away with this too much of pink things. But I want, he doesn't mind, right? I mean, you want a man who doesn't get insecure with the pink vibes, right, baby? My man doesn't get insecure with the pink vibes, and I'm so grateful about that. So this is just a cute small little house, but it feels so peaceful, and I feel that God gives us a blessing to bless this house, bless the people, and all the people watching this. And I want to be putting out the content also now. In the longest time I've been just making videos and not been able to post it because of changing lifestyles and all. But right now, after our Darjeeling trip and our Lucknow trip and every trip, I'm feeling that we will be like now in a place where I can also like sit down and we can make this beautiful phase of a life very productive and very memorable and very happening and very fun and very joyful and filled with lots of memories and inspirations that we can follow, and also maybe help inspire someone to live the happily ever after, because happily ever after happens only when you consciously decide to create it, right? I mean, it doesn't happen like that if you don't want to make it happen. So lot of it is required, not giving up on each other, like not so many things. So yeah, I mean, there's so many things we have learned over these years. We want to share it, and I want to know my husband's perspective, and my husband would be happy to know my perspective, because I too anyways keep telling him all the time things. So we have got the mics also, and I would like to open the mics tomorrow. We can open the mics tomorrow and start, right? Creating more stuff. Okay, so good night for today. Bye. Huh? Tomorrow the AC will come. Tomorrow AC will come, dining table will come, and work table will come. Huh? For the? Okay. Yeah, we can check that. And bye. Good night.